In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export 4K in DaVinci Resolve. If you want crisp, professional-looking video, setting up your project and export correctly is key, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop. Open an existing project you're ready to export, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Before exporting, it's important to make sure your project timeline is set to 4K so your final render matches the quality you expect. Head to the project settings by clicking the small gear icon in the bottom right corner, or press Shift+9 on your keyboard. In the window that opens, select Master Settings. Look for the Timeline Resolution drop-down. This determines the resolution you're editing and exporting from. Choose Ultra HD 3840 by 2160, then click Save. Ultra HD is the common 16.9 4K format used by most platforms. Your frame rate will stay whatever you set when you started the project, so you don't need to change that here. Now it's time to export. Click the Deliver tab, which is the rocket ship icon along the bottom. This brings up the render page. In the top left, under Render Settings, choose Custom Export. This gives you full control over the file you create. Enter a clear file name, then click Browse to choose a save location you'll remember. Saving to a fast internal drive or a reliable external SSD can help speed up rendering. Next are the video settings. For format, select either MP4 or QuickTime. MP4 is widely supported across devices and platforms, while QuickTime can be a good choice for certain professional workflows, especially on macOS. For codec, pick H.265 if you want better compression and smaller file sizes at the same quality. If you need maximum compatibility with older devices or certain platforms, choose H.264 instead. Make sure the resolution reads 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. This should match what you set in your project settings, but it's always worth a quick check. When everything looks right, click Add to Render Queue at the bottom of the settings panel. Your job appears in the render queue on the right. Finally, click Render All to begin the export. You'll see a progress bar and an estimate of remaining time. Keep Resolve open and avoid heavy tasks on your computer while it renders to ensure a smooth export. Once it finishes, play back the file to confirm it looks and sounds the way you expect. That's it. You've exported a 4K video from DaVinci Resolve with the right settings for quality and compatibility.